Hello, sweet friend, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana, and I am very grateful you stopped by my home for some cleaning and decorating motivation. If you're into Hallmark movies and traditional Christmas decorations and you have been collecting Christmas decor for years, then this is the type of decoration you will find around my home. I want to thank Matt Eich for signing this book for me last year. If you're looking to give a child something to read this Christmas season, this is a very funny book that Matt wrote. And particularly if you are an educator or you have a child in your life that hates reading, struggles with reading, and finds reading hard, this book will spark the interest, give the child self-confidence to read and have fun with it. This portion of the video is not sponsored by Matt. I just truly love this book. He signed it for me last year, and I am extremely thankful for that. So if your child likes to read The Diary of a Wimpy Kid, they're definitely gonna read this book. It's affordable. If you make a purchase, you will be supporting an educator. Plus, you will be putting in the hands of a child a wonderful book. So go ahead and check it out. And if you do check it out, let me know how much your kids loved it.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a...
The green sheets and the green blanket, I believe I got them last year at Marshall's. The blanket cost me about $9.99 and the sheets cost me about $15.
This year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Here we go. All right.
Dance, dance,
Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance.
we're gonna
okay?
dance, dance, dance,
Come on.
dance. We're gonna dance.
This is my Christmas tree. It's 4 feet tall. I really don't remember where I got it from. And this year, what I'm going to do is discard the bags and plan to buy those bags where you could put in the tree inside with all the decorations and ornaments and put it in my garage because I do have the space. So tell me, how do you store your Christmas tree? Because as I'm taking out stuff and decorating, I am also decluttering, and whatever I'm not going to use this year, I am going to donate. While I'm taking my tree out, I am reminiscing about last year where I was during this time. And I was actually in this same room, except that I was very sick with that thing that kept us in home shelter for about 2 years. I wrote the whole entire thing for almost 3 years without getting sick. But when it finally got me, let me just tell you, it took me 6 hours to fluff out this tree last year. So I encourage you, my friend, as you take out your decorations or start prepping in the kitchen to gather around your friends and loved ones, or if you don't celebrate the holidays, but you feel the spirit of in the air, which is really hard this day to feel. But you see that little sparkle, that little glimpse of hope to pause and reminisce that and be grateful that you and I, we are here. You on the other side of the screen and me on this side. And for that, my friend, I am very, very grateful.
Dance, have a good time, dance, dance, all night long we're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
I know some people are a little reluctant to start Christmas decorating in November, but can I just tell you that if you are a working mom or if you are just a full-time working person and you love the holiday season, why wait until December when you are more stressed out, when you have to fulfill more commitments? Why not start little by little in each area of your home and enjoy when you come home in December? You could come home and relax with a cup of coffee or your favorite warm drink or whatever you like to be in your own home and feel like you're inside of a Hallmark movies. So don't wait, my friend, until the end. I know there's traditions that we value and we like to keep. I am from Latin American, and in there, most of the people like to decorate on the 8th. I believe it's because there's a saint, or I don't recall the story anymore, but I don't go by that. I go by my schedule, and I'm trying to ease my anxiety as much as I can. And I love Christmas. I am a Christmas baby. I was born on Christmas. Christmas is my birthday on the 25th. And I like to start prepping myself mentally, physically, and also my home to be able to truly celebrate and not have the burden of the holidays on my shoulders. All the decor for the Christmas tree are actually from the Dollar Tree, so you could have a fancy home or from the Dollar Tree, which nowadays is $1.25, but you could go over there and have a beautiful Christmas tree. This garland, it was a gift given to me, and the decorations are also from the Dollar Tree.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday,
Pup Show for gifting us with this wonderful and comfortable bed for my 2 German Shepherds. I will be leaving the link in the description down below. Don't forget to use my coupon so you could get yourself an extra 30% off. It takes about 7 to 10 business days for the delivery, and as you can see, it comes in a very small package. You can see this excitement on the on Cocoa and Azul, which is the names of my 2 dogs. It's like they know this is for them. It is so amazing. If you are a pet lover, drop a poll or a pet emoji in the comments down below. Friend, thank you so much for hanging out with me today, decorating my bedroom for Christmas. I hope you enjoyed today's content. You give me a like, you press the notification bells on so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And also, don't forget to leave me a comment down below. I'll see you in my next video. And until next time, don't forget that you have been wonderfully and fearfully made, and within you resides the power to do great things. Until next time, my friend, stay safe, and don't forget, in this channel, you have a friend.